the special kinds of the functions here. Special functions. So in the special functions, we have studying unary and binary operations. So unary and binary operations will come under the special functions. So binary operations, unary and binary operations, those will become under the special functions here. So what is the meaning of unary operation? So unary operation means here the function f will be defined from a set a to a. A function f from a to a is called a binary. Unary is called a unary or monary operation on set A. Monary operation on set A here. Unary operation means a function f from a to a is called unary operation on A, where A is a non-empty set. Where A is a non-empty set. Suppose A is a non-empty set, then the function f from a to a is called a unary operation on A here. For example, suppose f is a function from R to R, then define the function f as f of x equal to x raised to n, or f of x equal to log x, or f of x equal to sin x. Those are called the unary operations on the real number R here. So next we are moving to the binary operations. Binary operation. Binary operation means binary operation. Binary operation is nothing but suppose A and B are two non-empty sets. A and B are two non-empty sets. Suppose A and B are the two non-empty sets, then the function f from A cross A to B, then the function f from A cross A to B is called binary operation. Is called binary operation on A. Is called binary operation on the set A here. Here the condition is suppose if B equal to A. Suppose in any example, suppose B equal to A, then the binary operation is said to be, then the binary operation is said to be, then the binary operation is said to be, then the binary operation is said to be a closed, is said to be a closed on A, is said to be a closed on the set A here. On A is said to be a closed on A here. Unary operation means a function f from A to A is called a unary operation, and a function f from A cross A to B is called a binary operation. Suppose in the binary operation if B equal to A, then it is called said to be a closed operation. Then the binary operation is said to be a closed on A here. Here suppose f from A to A is a, if f of A cross A to B is a binary operation, is a binary operation, then it satisfies the following conditions here. Those conditions will be here. The first one is f is said to be, f is said to be commutative. F is said to be commutative. F is said to be commutative whenever f of A comma B equal to f of B comma A, for all A comma B belongs to the set A cross A.